What's up lads, today we'll be making a simple calculator in Python that can do all the basic operations and calculations. But before that, a few things to keep in mind. We'll be using VS Code from Microsoft to write the code and run it. Number 2, this isn't a Python lesson, so you need to be knowing what functions do what. Like you need to be knowing what print function does. Number 3, this calculator can't do complex calculations like trigonometry and the normal stuff. You can only use two numbers at a time, so this is a very basic calculator, adding two numbers and subtracting, etc. So with all that in mind, let's begin. First we will assign two variables x and y. You can use any variable but keep it simple as it will make the coding easier later on. We will use the int or integer function, as when we use the input function in Python, the output is always a string, whether it is a number or a word. Like if you have TPM, it is of say a string, but 25 is also a string in an input function. The question can be anything relevant to the program. Now since this calculator does not have a GUI, we have to manually tell the program that which operation we want to perform, whether it be addition, subtraction or others. So for that exact reason, we would be using the print function to let know the user about the specific words or symbols to use. This is very important, by the way. I will be specifying power for the operation x to the power of y. We do have symbols for this operation in Python, but in math we do not have them, so it would be very confusing for a normal user. It's the same story for remainder. A normal user may not know what a modulo is and might confuse it for percentage. Now for the operation, we will assign another variable operation, but again you can assign any variable but keep it simple. Now for performing the different operations, we will be using the if, elif and else statements. The else statement at last is for the circumstance where a user puts a different word other than the one specified for an operation. It is basically so that the program doesn't stop and at least does something in case of a wrong input. Like for addition, if someone instead of the plus symbol writes addition, then it will print something instead of just crashing or something or just stopping. As you saw in the video, the calculator works and it's ready for use. In the future videos we will be improving it and adding more functions like complex math, trigonometry, etc., those kind of stuff. As I will learn Python myself, I'll also try to fix it in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.